Okay, guys. So we know Andrew Tate really loves his dad and keeps his legacy very, very high. And recently, after he got released from jail, he tweeted saying, "I remember this. I remember him withdrawing me from the tournament when I was 6 years old. I beat the first 2 adults and then lost 3 in a row. I asked, will I be able to beat them at chess when I'm grown up?" He replied, "Son, once you have grown up you'll beat anyone at anything." And if you look, he posted an article saying chess family strives to keep pressure of game in check, and as you can see it's a young, very very young Andrew Tate in the picture. You know, this is absolutely beautiful. And he was like, what? Like he said, 6 years old in this picture, absolutely crazy. And yeah, he really speaks high of his dad because he was really a legend, and that's what a good dad really does. He learned him how to become what he is now.
Is stronger than ever, you know. It's really insane to see this.
When I was with my father, if he needed your phone number, he'd ask, "What's your phone number?" And you'd say it once, and that was it for the rest of his life. You tell him an address, that was it for the rest of his life. He never wrote anything down, he never had to repeat anything to him. My father, when he died, someone messaged me who was in, because my father was in the CIA, he held the CIA record for the fastest assimilation of a foreign language. My father learned Russian within 2.5 weeks from 0. Like,
really?
he would just read a book, he'd just read the dictionary. I didn't have what he had, like he was complete. He remembered every chess game he'd ever played. So you could be sitting there and he'd say, "Oh, I played him in 1982, and he'll just go through the whole game. Or he could beat you at chess without looking at the board. So you'd have a board in front of you and say E4, he'd be in another room, C5, knight F3, knight C6, and he'd be cooking dinner and he'd fucking smoke you.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy.
You played a lot as a kid.
I was state chess champion age 5 in Indiana, the under 16s. I was the youngest to ever win it. I was sitting there across from some 16-year-old. When you're like 5.5, that's scary, right? And I remember when I beat him, he cried. That made me happy. I was like, ha.
But yeah, guys, give me your thoughts about this in the comments below. Be sure to click one of the videos on the screen right now. That's it, and I'm out.